Good morning, everybody. We are down here again at KWJ Performance because I keep buying shit boxes. I'm actually joking. This car, well, there's something wrong with the Audi again, I'm not going to lie. Something wrong with the Audi again. There's actually multiple things wrong with the Audi, hence why we're here. And we're going to Germany on True Rally in like 3 weeks. This needs to be fixed because otherwise if I go with these problems now, it's not going to be fun and probably B, I won't even make it home. So we're down again with it. The Audi's got more problems. I know that this car seems like it keeps giving me problems, and it does. But B, I've actually done a lot of miles in the past year and a half. I've done a lot of miles in this car, and considering how many miles I've done, it's been alright. It's been alright. But remember when I had the water pump done like a year ago, just over a year ago? It's pissing out coolant again. So we're here at KWJ, we're getting up on the ramp and we're going to figure out what the hell is wrong with the Audi. It's pissing out coolant. I mean, like, it's going through like 2 litres, maybe like, it's going like through 2 or 3 litres of coolant like a week. So it's literally pissing out, not seeping, it is pissing out. And every time I drive the car, I get like this annoying wobble. There's like an annoying wobble in the car, but it's like inconsistent. It's not just when I'm braking or it's not just when I'm accelerating. It's so weird. So we're going to have a look at that today. So we're going to get it with the ramp and we're going to see. We're going to give the Audi a full check over because we're going to Germany in 3 weeks and the car needs to be in good condition. So let's see what's wrong with it this time. Right, so what's the first? Alexa, pause. What's the first angle of attack, guys? We're going to check for anything that's loose underneath to see what's causing that knocking. Tell what we're going to do. It would make sense why it's something like the prop shaft, I'm not going to lie. Because it feels, I'm getting the vibration through the whole car. Like, it's not just a wheel, it's not just when I'm braking, it's not just when I'm turning, it's not just when I'm cruising at a certain speed, it's like when I'm accelerating, it's like so inconsistently annoying. So I've got some new brake discs, because don't forget, these are the brake discs when we go on track. So I've got some brake discs on Probite, and they're beautiful brake discs on Probite. They're unbelievable. They're like black vented. I don't know why I've got black vented discs. Not vented, sorry, like black grooved. Don't know why, but why not? You know, why not? What I'm going to do is, that front tyre looks absolutely bollocks. And the brakes are the same brake discs of when we went on track, and I've never changed these brake discs from when I've had the car, and I've done a lot of miles, and I've done the NC500 and around the track and everything, so not good. And I actually think this is potentially one of the main causes, is actually wobbling. Now, a company called Probite have ever so graciously sent me some of these discs. Now, this new company is called Probite. As I said, they are a new company and they are sponsoring the British Rally Championship. So I've actually been waiting badly for a company who do good brake discs, especially vented ones, and not a crazy price. So I'm so happy that these guys wanted to team up with me, and they've actually sent me some discs for the A7, and we're obviously going to be super spicy, so we went with black vented ones. This Audi definitely does not need black vented discs, but why the hell not? This just shows that these companies do a good range of discs. Probite, absolute legends. Thank you so much for sending me these. I'm going to be using these discs on all my cars, if possible, from now on. So we're going to fit these to the Audi because A, it badly needs it, and B, let's pray it fixes our wobbling. Right, we all know how to do brakes. I'm not filming loads. Oh yeah, look at them. Go on, Probite. Go on, the boys. Legends. I pray this fixes our wobble. Hopefully we found our other tyre is not good, so we need to get some new tyre as well. This one's really not good, so that could probably cause a wobble as well. But I know for a fact the brake discs were horrible because after that track day, they felt terrible. They felt way worse. Okay guys, I'm just voiceovering this because I'm just whinging about how Audis make everything bloody difficult, but Probite are actually giving away a free set of discs. If you go there over to their Instagram now, they put a recent post up. All you've got to do is follow the page, like the post, and just do one more thing. So go over to their Instagram. I've actually got a screenshot of the post now, and you can have a chance of winning a full set of brakes for your car. Brake discs! And I've got a massive coolant leak from the front of the car, which we'll show you shortly. It's annoying. I think it is coming from the water pump, but it's nice. I literally had the water pump done a year ago. I know that the water pumps are shit on these Audis, but that bad, that's just annoying. So, but it's a really bad leak, so we're going to see where it's coming from and see if I need another water pump. So this tyre is full. What? To be fair, when you look at it's like, look how weirdly it's worn there. So that could probably, well, it's not helping.
It's your water pump.
I had it done a year ago. It's funny, look, see, oh yeah, see all around there. It's literally wet as well, isn't it? Look at it all. Piss wet through.
No, nice.
All down there as well. Not good, is it, mate? Wet everywhere. It's hard to tell. But it looks like
it's not much higher than the water pump, so.
Yeah, it's got to be that, right? Again. Fucking hell. Again. Another one. Right, we've ordered the water pump. It has come. We've got the Audi here. Just got the under tray off and stuff, so we're going to start. Oh, Alexa. Pause. We're going to start smashing out the water pump. It's at the front here. I don't think it's too hard of a job to do. Time is of the essence today. This needs to be done in like a couple hours, and I don't even know. I hate working on Audis. I always think everything's overcomplicated, so I always overcomplicate it myself. That's because I just don't like dealing with like German stuff. And I don't want to take off things that don't need to be taken off. So I'm just gonna, yeah. I'm guessing Coolant's gonna piss out everywhere. I don't know if we're gonna take a radiator hose off or we're just gonna send it. But we've got these 3 little M10 bolts here at the front of the water pump, which are just here. Okay, so this thing here is the tensioner. So it's a T60, by the way, ladies and gentlemen. T60, big one. And since I've loosened them bolts, the water pump pulley is about to come off. So we've took the belt off, which is just, yeah. Took the pulley off, and then you guys are saying that there's just bolts and that's it?
That's it. You're out your water pump. You just take the bolts.
And that's it?
Yeah.
What the hell? I swear I paid a bit of decent money when I got it done a couple of years ago or whatever. I got a rinse splice. I got rinse. This is like a fucking 15-minute job. All these aluminium Torx bolts and bolted to an aluminium water pump bolted to an aluminium block. It's quite scary. It's round city over here. You get the bolts off just through here. It's actually, well, it seems like a simple job, I'm not going to lie. It's a bit fiddly, but like nothing what you expect from an Audi. So what I've seen so far is that the new one comes with a gasket, which makes life easy because the water pumps actually have an indentation of where the gasket goes. And now what it looks like so far on this one is that when I'm pulling the bolts out, I'm pulling a lot of silicone with it. But it's pissing around the whole water pump. Not just one bit that's failed, the whole water pump is leaking. There we go, I pulled that. Most of it's water because I've been topping up for so long. And there is a gasket and silicone. So, why the fuck is it leaking then, bro? There she is. Alright, so this is the old gasket. It's flat. Flat as my ass, that is. Let's just make sure there's no silicone onto black. And then we'll bolt it back down. Luckily there wasn't that much sealant, so I've got the new water pump here. Just going to pop it on, put the bolts back on, and that's it. What a job, guys. And the water pump was actually like 50 quid as well, which I'm very happy about. I thought for some reason it'd be like 150, 200 quid or whatever, and I thought it'd be a pain in the ass job. But this is probably like, well, I don't know any water pumps that are easy enough to do as this. Right, it's on. So we've got a pressure tester here, so we're going to bang it on. Pump her up and then see if it's losing any pressure and see if it's hissing out. Now this isn't a foolproof test because when we tested the old water pump, well when we pressure tested it before, it wasn't losing coolant, so don't 100% rely on this because when we tested our old one it wasn't actually losing pressure. So sometimes it only happens when they get hot. But since we put a new one on, it's always good to pressure test it so at least we know I've bolted it up right and it's sealed correctly when it's cold. Now it's got a little adapter here, it screws on there. Got a load of different ones in the kit. I think it's just a hand pump, so I'm just going to pump it up to like 15 psi and leave it there and see if it drops. Okay, so we've got just below 15 psi. We'll leave it there for a few minutes, keep an eye on it, just make sure it doesn't drop. So, it's all good. Yeah. I'll put some coolant in and I'm just going to start the car, get it up to temperature, put the heaters on the side and just let it bleed. I'm probably going to need to keep topping it up as well because I've hardly put anything in there. But it's on. That was actually quite an easy job to be honest. So let's just run up the temperature, make sure it's not leaking and make sure it's bled properly. Okay, the water pump is done, which I'm very happy about. That's one less stress for Germany. in a few weeks. True Rally have sold out. We sold out ages ago. So thank you everyone who's come on to True Rally. I'm so excited for it. Well, actually, I'm not. It's really stressful for me, but I hope everyone else is excited. We still don't know what the wobbling is. We've had a look at everything, and we cannot even see where that wobble would come from. Right, Carl?
Yeah.
No idea. I'm going to put it down. I'm going to give it a quick jet wash real quick because it's not had a jet wash in absolutely forever. So let's pull it down. But I'm glad it's not pissing out coolant because it was bad.